Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm going to tell you how to remove acne and pimples on face of any picture in Photoshop. First of all, we will open the image. Here you can see many acne and pimples on her face. First of all, we will duplicate the original layer and we will hide the original layer. Then we will use spot healing brush tool, and now we will paint over the pimples. Paint here, you can see all of her face is covered with these blushes. You have to be careful while painting under the eyes. After painting with spot healing brush tool, now we will use blur tool for making blur some places. Now our image is ready. You can see before and after. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe our channel and share our videos. Thank you.